Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Friday, June 11th. The time is around 12:45 a.m. GMT, and today we're going to be looking at the chart of gold. This is a 45 minutes chart. We can see gold has reacted to the upside after the CPI number, and we got here gold ending with 1 at this peak, and then ended the pullback with 2 here, 1855. And if this count is correct, then we basically have started the wave 3 on the upside. You can see in the subdivision here, starting to see a 1 2, and then now looking for more upside. Now I think if we just see the latest move here, right, this one, it does look like a 3 waves here, and this is a 3 swing, suggesting that most likely we can really see for the upside in gold. Now, you can see in the arrow it still remains black in color because we have not yet at this point broken above this previous peak in the wave 1 around 1916 or so, right? So as a result, by the way, this one is the all-time high, right? So the all-time high was at 2075 back on last year, but this one right here was the high since we bottom here in March, right? In March 2021. So according to this count here, basically what we are doing here is that we got a rather shallow kind of pullback here, the cycle from March 2021, all right, and then we might have already started the upside or the next leg higher here. Now, in order for this view though to be valid, then we still do need to sort of break above this previous peak, of course, right? Needs to break above the previous peak, and then that should confirm that we're going to be looking for the upside. So at minimum, it seems like we might be able to get some sort of 5 waves out from here. 1 2 3 4 5. Now, as an alternate, there is also a possibility here that, for example, we might have doing a with 5 waves from here, right? 5 waves from this low here. So this one is 1676.1. This one is yeah, so this one is lower than this one. So what can happen is this can be instead some kind of a wave 3 and 4 from here. So you can think of it like 1 2 and then now 3 4, and then now we extend higher, but because it is ending with 5 from here, then we're gonna get a bigger pullback again once we finish this. So but seems like we might be able to see at least 5 waves up from here, and then the less aggressive view will be ending the cycle and then do bigger pullback. The more aggressive view, you're calling it as a nest from here, and then continues to go up in an impulsive way to the upside. Okay, so there are two possible ways in terms of the medium term, longer term outlook, but the shorter cycle right now, we're looking for the upside as long as we stay above 1855. This looks corrective, this looks impulsive, so suggesting that I think there is a good chance we might be able to extend higher still. And again, at minimum, we might be able to see 5 ways up from here, in which we can have 1 2, and then now looking for 3 4, and then 5. All right, so if you do want to get regular updates on gold or other commodities, Forex indices, stocks, ETF, we do cover 78 instruments in our service in 3 groups. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next week then, and have a nice day everyone.